Self-managing versus hiring an Orlando property management company is the topic we'll be discussing today. Job here at the Listing Real Estate Management, a full-service residential property management company specializing in the management of single-family homes, condos, townhomes, and multifamily properties throughout Central Florida. Self-managing your rental property or properties comes with a lot of stress and takes up a lot of time. You have to balance things like maintenance issues, rent collection, lease enforcement, tenant relation. Really, the list goes on and on. So if you're up for the task, those are going to be just a few of the things that you're going to have to take care of on your own. And a lot of times these activities can end up consuming you. Hiring a professional property management company can assist you in giving you time back and allows you to focus on things that you care about most, like family, friends, or even evaluating your portfolio to add to it and increase your value. If you're looking to save time, resources, and money, feel free to reach out to the Listing Real Estate Management. We're always here for you.